Oh!
Shizzle!
Low.
Oh!
Damn.
Oh. That's a Nerf bullet!
Damn.
Do it again.
Yeah. So I made aim for the other side.
Did you even see it?
Yeah, I am.
You're too busy reading the Simpsons comics.
Huh?
Go.
Oh, I almost landed in the dog poo.
Put this over here.
20 years old. Okay, here's our Nerf bullet.
Awesome.
Let's do that again. Ben, I'll clean out the Nerf bullet, you refill.
Okay.
Oh, look, I didn't even cool it down all the way. You had 55 in there?
Yeah.
Try put as much as you can in there.